Hi everyone, welcome back to Skills Exceed, your go-to place for all things Excel and productivity. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the unique function in Excel, a game changer that can save you time and effort when removing duplicate values. If you're still manually deduplicating data, this video is for you. Let's get started. Here's a scenario we all face: a data set with duplicate entries. For example, let's say we have a list of customer names. Some names appear multiple times, and we need a unique list. Traditionally, we'd go to the Data tab, click Remove Duplicates, and follow a few steps. But what if I told you there's a faster and more dynamic way? That's where the unique function comes in. The unique function is a modern formula available in Excel 365 and Excel 2021. It extracts unique values from a range with just one step. Let's see how it works. Highlight the dataset, switch to a blank column, and type following formula. And there you go. Excel instantly gives us a unique list of names. No manual clicking, no worrying about accidentally deleting data. The best part? This list updates automatically if new data is added to the original range. Let me show you. Add a new duplicate entry in the original list and watch the dynamic update of the unique function's result. But that's not all. Unique can do even more. For example, if you're working with a table that has rows and columns, you can use unique to remove duplicates by rows instead of columns. Here's how. Select the data set and type this formula. So why is unique better than manual deduplication? Here are 3 reasons. Speed. It's faster and takes just one step. Accuracy. No risk of accidentally deleting data. Dynamic updates. The results adjust automatically with changes to the source data. No more redoing your deduplication every time the dataset changes. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tip useful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends or colleagues who might still be stuck in the manual way of doing things. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.